Top 5 Best Rotary Tool. Number 5. Profcon 38481 Professional Rotary Tool. The Profcon 38481 Professional Rotary Tool is another compact, lightweight, yet a reliable product. This rotary tool is ideal for a variety of projects, including grinding, polishing, cleaning, cutting, and engraving. It has a variable speed adjustment that ranges between 5,000 revolutions per minute and 20,000 revolutions per minute. The rotary tool can be used for extended periods at low speeds for projects that require brushing and cutting, or at high speeds for heavy-duty jobs that require grinding and milling. This well-balanced rotary tool includes 34 accessories. The 6 triple-slit steel collets cover 1/32 inch to 1/8 inch. Despite its high power, the 1/8 horsepower motor is specially designed for minimal vibration while working. With a weight of just 1.3 pounds, the tool is very easy and comfortable to handle. It even comes with a convenient storage case for added protection while not in use. One downside of the Profcon 38481 professional rotary tool is its price point. While it does feature several different accessories, if you are shopping for a budget-friendly product, you may want to consider another rotary tool. Coming in number 4. Milwaukee M12TM Rotary Toolkit. If you've been using home renovation tools, then you should be familiar with Milwaukee's trademark red color. This kit isn't any different, and it features a 12 volts rotary tool for most home projects. The model comes with a variable speed between 5,000 and 32,000 revolutions per minute, and it's quite faster as compared to other brands on the market today. The rotary tool boasts of an overmolded grip that's specially designed to ensure you get an ergonomic feel. The safety cut-off function is included to prevent this rotary tool from overload. There's also a lock button with a rubber cover that enhances comfort when holding it. The overall design is lightweight and it weighs around 1.3 pounds, making it easy and convenient to use. What we like: exceptional durability, powerful 12 volts motor, includes a storage bag, variable speed between 5,000 and 32,000 revolutions per minute, compact and lightweight design. Our verdict: the Milwaukee M12TM is a professional-grade rotary tool that comes at a reasonable price. With the diverse assortment of fixtures, this model will serve you in different applications. Overall, this is an excellent choice when it comes to performance, power, and ergonomics. Coming in number 3. Dremel 4434 Rotary Toolkit. If you want a kit with all the essential accessories for several workshop applications, then the Dremel 4434 Rotary Toolkit is your perfect choice. With a high-performance motor and the electronic feedback circuitry, you're sure to get consistent performance. With 4 attachments and 34 other accessories, you'll be able to tackle all jobs at home. Additionally, the rotary tool features a 360 degrees grip zone that makes it comfortable to hold for long periods. The tool boasts of a variable speed between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM, which means it's well suited to help you even during the most demanding applications. The manufacturer still offers a 2-year warranty on all purchases. What we like: high-performance motor, variable speed for precision and maximum control, electronic feedback to offer consistent speed, quick collect lock, separate on or off switch. Our verdict: overall, Dremel 4434 Rotary Toolkit is a well-designed set of tools that will enhance your worker, whether you're a professional or DIY enthusiasts. It comes with several attachments, including a long cord for extended reach. It's a worthy purchase. Coming in number 2. Dremel 3228 Variable Speed Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 3228 Rotary Toolkit offers DIY enthusiasts with everything they require for home renovation projects. The kit comes with a functional rotary tool alongside an ergonomic design and several other user-friendly features. Still, there's the easy twist nose cap that features an integrated wrench for tightening accessories. Besides, the side vents and efficient fan will ensure you have a cool running tool, which makes it comfortable for long-term use. Compatibility is another highlight of this tool, and it works pretty well with most Dremel accessories and attachments. For improved balance, there's a 360 degrees grip zone that ensures a comfortable operation. What's more, the manufacturer offers a 2-year warranty. What we like: 2-year manufacturer's warranty, quick accessory changes, easy twist nose cap, variable speed between 5,000 and 32,000 RPM, multiple grip positions. Our verdict: the Dremel 3228 is a high-quality and compact rotary tool that continues to prove that Dremel is a leader when it comes to production top-of-the-line tools. With features like variable speed and easy twist nose cap, this is an excellent rotary toolkit that won't disappoint. Coming in number 1. Dremel 4300 5/40 High Performance Rotary Toolkit. The Dremel 4300 5/40 Rotary Toolkit is another functional set for various projects at home. It includes a plastic storage case, 4300 rotary tool, and 40 premium quality Dremel accessories. The included motor is powerful and will guarantee exceptional performance in all applications. Being a versatile tool, this tool can cut through concrete, brick, porcelain, ceramic, grout, and even tile. The universal 3-jaw chuck is compatible with several Dremel accessories. With the variable speed of between 5,000 and 35,000 RPM, you're sure to get accurate and consistent results. The motor brushes are replaceable, which extends the life to offer long-lasting service. Still, there's the pivot light that rotates to illuminate your working space for exceptional results. What we like: premium rotary toolkit, universal 3-jaw chuck, slim and ergonomic body, variable speed, high power motor. Our verdict: the Dremel 4300 5/40 High Performance Rotary Toolkit is an excellent purchase. The kit comes with a wide range of accessories that will let you work on different projects,